What's up everybody, it's Sean here and I am back today to give you guys a review of the Sankuanz collaboration with Puma on the RSX. Sankuanz, for those of you guys who haven't heard of them before, they're a Chinese fashion brand known for their fashion-forward, eclectic, and unconventional designs. In this collaboration with Puma, they released a series of clothing and footwear that released back on February 2nd. So Puma Canada, thank you guys so much. They sent me this pair, which is the RSX, and this is my favorite part of the entire collection. The official colorway for these guys is Cloud Cream and Royal Blue, and they released for a price of $150 US. Before we move on, here's a quick look at the box. So this is a special edition Puma and Sankuanz branded box. At the top, as you can see, we have white on one side and then this camel print on the other. And then throughout the box, you'll see the logos for both companies. So jumping straight into the shoe, this takes your classic Puma RSX silhouette, but incorporates certain changes that makes it pretty unique overall. Take a deep dive into the toe box. As you can see, the base layer of the shoe, this is constructed out of this off-white colored mesh. There's also hits of 3M found on the edges of the toe box as well, so if you shoot the shoe with flash, this area will light up. Wrapping around the frontal edge of the toe box, we have this very soft black leather. And then next to this, we have hits of suede done in beige. Wrapping around the center area of the shoe, we have gray suede, and then in terms of laces, these come standard with a flat style lace in this off-white color, which have a very soft feel to them. Underneath the laces, we have your tongue. So in the middle of the tongue, we have this neon green hit, and at the very top, we have this nylon pull tab done in royal blue with this green colored Puma logo. Along the sides of the shoe, you can see this is a combination of mesh and suede once again, and then surrounding the ankle collar area, here we have this blue colored suede. A pretty unique aspect about this shoe is that on the lateral side, we have this tab that has both the Sankuanz and Puma logos, and this can be attached to the shoe with a snap of a button. Towards the back heel of the shoe, we have more of this suede, and there's a small slit revealing 3M underneath. At the very back of the heel, we have this neon green hit of rubber, and above this, we have this small pull tab in blue. So the interior of these RSXs is done in blue, and as I pull out the insole, you can see there's a special edition insole included with these shoes. So here we have the unique camel print that was found on the box, and then we have the Puma and Sankuanz logo stamped on in silver on the heel. So the upper of these RSXs sits atop this full-length EVA foam midsole. For the most part, this midsole is done in this off-white color, but we do have this hit of neon green underneath the forefoot. On the lateral side only, we have the Sankuanz logo. This is done in black, and then towards the back heel, we have this hit of black surrounding the upper portion of the midsole. Flipping these over, so here we have your outsole. So for the most part, this outsole is done in gum rubber. But once again, we have this hit of neon green. This is underneath the heel, and we have this Puma logo embossed on the side. In terms of sizing, so my feet measures as a true size 10, slightly on the wider side, and if you guys have watched my previous reviews of the RSX model, I typically say that the RSXs run a little bit snug, so as a result, I'm comfortable with a size 10.5. For these guys, Puma Canada sent me these in a size 10, and they actually fit me perfectly. I feel like the upper of the shoe is made out of a thinner material, so in this case, true to size or a size 10 in my case, fit me very, very well. Going up to the 10.5 for this model probably would have been too big, so overall, I'd recommend sticking with your true size. Comfort-wise, so the RSX, as I mentioned in my other reviews, is a very comfortable sneaker. This midsole is super thick and chunky, but at the same time, it's very plush, and this padded insole adds additional comfort to the shoe. So if you're looking for a shoe that you can wear all day without feeling any discomfort, I'd highly recommend this RSX model. So now let me lace these up and I'll show you guys how these look on feet. It's great to see Puma branching out with other labels, collaborating on a highly successful model like the Puma RSX. This shoe is my favorite Puma model in a long time, and while I don't personally love the color scheme of this neon green and blue, this is definitely not the worst color scheme I've ever seen either. And at the same time, I appreciate the small and unconventional changes like this button closure on the side that makes this shoe stand out, and it's different than anything else we've seen on the market. So let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think of the Sankuanz and Puma collab on the RSX. If you guys like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Give me a follow on Instagram at esco8, check out my Twitter at sean.go, and visit my website at seango.ca. Before I sign off, one final thank you goes out to the great people at Puma Canada. Thank you guys for showing love, and until next time, I'll catch you guys in the next one.